the fridge. There's a stove in the counter. And
are you really recording?
Rat-a-tat-tat in the recording. Chip toenail, let's not talk about it. Where are you going?
Where am I going? I'm going back into my room.
No, because you have to help me down from this fucking
fridge. I'll help you down. Let's go.
Dude, man, guy. On top of the fridge. Roku! 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 Waka waka! Yo. Psst. Yo. Raku, what do you have to say? What do you have to say? Huh? You're cute. I know. You know and I know. And if you don't know, well now you know. California, blah blah blah, knows how to party.
Bottle opener is in my room. I'm going to my room. If you need assistance, I will assist you.
Okay.
Because I want to keep drinking. How do you want me to help you?
Well, you're going to give me a step down to the counter.
Okay. How about I just carry you down? I can just grab you and
you know what? Let's do it.
There we go. Alright, there we go.
We did it! Cuckoo. We did it. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. It's like the first time you stuck your butt up in the air, Rocco, and you didn't poot.
There's your wing. I'll catch you on the flip side.
Catch you on the flip side.
See you tomorrow.
What? Okay, bye.